What up, YouTube? It's your boy Detroit Love with another video. Today we're unboxing the Dreamcast by Sega. Came out in 1999, September 9th exactly, for $199, which seems very reasonable today, but I did not own one. I never did, but I do now. Thank you to my brother. Let's get into it.
What up, though? It's your boy Detroit Love. Arcade vibes, retro tech, that's what I'm made of. From golden age days to mods that amaze, I help you build setups that'll blow you away. So power up, press play, old is new again. Detroit Love in the house, let the games begin.
My brother was on my last one of my live streams, and he said, I'm heading up to Detroit and I'm bringing the Dreamcast for you. I gotta give him something in return. I'm not sure what that is just yet, but I have never owned a Dreamcast. I obviously have played it. My best friend Sean Campbell had one and we played hours on this, but I never owned one. But I do now. Thanks, Antonio. So we're gonna open this up. I don't even know if it works. He just said he's bringing it. I'm assuming it would be working. I did order the adapter that's needed to hook up to modern TVs. So I have that. But what's in the box, I do not know. So we're going to find out together. So let's get it started. And so we're going to open this box up. And these are the first things that were on top. 3 magazines. This is the official Sega Dreamcast magazine. So 2 copies. This is May, June 2000. This is July and August edition 2000. So this is issue number 5 and issue number 6. And then there's this Primus official strategy guide for Dead or Alive 2. And this was published in 2000 as well. I can see here, 2000 by Prima Publishing. So, 3 really neat magazines. We have Soulcalibur CD. I just need to swap out that case. So Namco Soulcalibur. And then we have this official Sega Dreamcast magazine CD-ROM. This is volume 11, so this is 2001. And this is Generator, playable bits and video clips, not for resale, Sega Dreamcast. So these 2, so it look like the one game, Soulcalibur. Now I would have thought, since he had these magazines, that Dead or Alive would have been in here. But it doesn't appear to be. Alright, the next box in here is this tremor pack. Feel every jolt, bump, and blast with the tremor pack. So it's like a rumble pack. I should have a knife. So let's... So the next box says controller, Dreamcast, the ultimate gaming system, the green revert, made in Indonesia. Okay. So this doesn't seem to be a green. thing. So maybe it's just to put in that box. This is a Mad Cat, so this isn't. Doesn't look like that's a box, but maybe so. All right, so we got one controller. Controller that's just sitting in there. It seems to be an identical one. Just needs a little bit of cleaning up. That one. This one has some type of rattle. Something's loose. Yet another controller. So this looks like this is the official controller. That probably would have been in that other box. Okay, you see it has a memory and it has the rumble pack. One of these guys already in there. And it also has the memory device. Here. Controller box, which appears to have that same. Oh, there's the green one. So they were just in the wrong boxes. These have so these must have been upgrades. These have additional buttons, different type of some cabling. So this appears to be either an extension. Yes, an extension, 2 extensions for the wired controllers, and then the power cord for the unit. And look like we have the composite cable is the Dreamcast instruction manual. Controller instruction manual. A free issue of the official Sega Dreamcast magazine. Free disc. Put that in the mail right away. And the web browser. Another document in here. This last document is important safety instructions. All right, last the documentation, and now we have Sega Dreamcast. Open. Okay. 4 controller ports. Remember, they tried to have their own Windows Phone for a long time, running CE. You got the line in for your phone to get online, power jack, the AV out, and the serial port there. Nothing on that side, and back to the front. Down on the bottom, we have there's our serial numbers, and I think it had something to do with this number over here. So hopefully this is one of the ones that can be modded. We shall find out. All right, so I don't have a TV that will support this at all, so I got this HDMI adapter for Sega Dreamcast. See what we get. And all of this is this little device with HDMI and the Dreamcast interface. The HDMI will go here. Okay, so it just goes on the regular port where the RCA ports will go. Let's get this in the right way. And they're pretty tight. We have this big protrusion And now we have a power button here. So let's open it and put in, not in the best of shape, but not in the worst of shape. All right, close that up. Again, power. Dreamcast logo. We have to set the date and time, starting at 1996. So it is, oh, it's the first already. This is the second. 2026. The legend will never die. Successfully loaded. Now, if this was a modern arcade, this would be an awesome TV to have up on the wall playing Soulcalibur. But since this is the 80s arcade, no can do. And so on the controller, it says there, Soulcalibur on the memory stick. So I hit the start button, which was this button here. And we'll do arcade. Most of you guys don't have this issue that us African Americans had. We've never had much representation in gaming for a long time. So we either had to be a white male or a white woman, typically. And I didn't want to pick her, but ran out of time. All right, so let's see. These controllers are not the most comfortable. They're so front heavy. Yep. Okay. You'll fall up off me, son. Oh, okay. Don't run up on me. Okay. Might wanna back up off me, son. What are you gonna do? Don't run up on me, man. Oh, I guess I can turn my back on you. I would have had a perfect. Oh, okay. That's the only hit you got on me. Father, I won't lose. Next hit. It wasn't gonna be me. And it has this little character on the screen showing that you're currently fighting. I guess I should test the second player. Here comes a new challenger. Whoa. The second player just to try out this controller. And I can definitely feel the vibrations. The one that has the rumble pack, this one doesn't have a rumble pack on the right side, so let me hit. Yeah, see, I'm not feeling any, if I can hit, let me put this down. So on the second player, I don't feel the impacts because I don't have the rumble thing in. So we need to put that in. Now, if I get hit, no, not feeling that yet. So I don't know. I'll have to see why that one's not rumbling. And maybe because it wasn't on when I started up the system, I don't know. But this one is rumbling when you get hit. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. I'm definitely going to be doing more Dreamcast videos, so stay tuned. And until next time, I'll see you on the web.
Thanks for watching Detroit Love. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. We want to see and read your comments below. And until next time, I'll see you on the web.